Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but today I want to bring you guys something that I think you'll find useful. And today I'm going to show you how to become an ethical hacker for pretty cheap. So what you want to do is go to eBay and look for lynda.com, right? And then you're going to get all these results. So obviously save like £200 a year. You want to go and click on one of these and purchase a personal account, and then you want to go to lynda.com and search for ethical hacking, and then go to learning paths and click this one here, I believe, and then you can learn how to be an ethical hacker. As you can see, there are lots of courses on here and they will teach you what you need to know. Anyway, that's it for now. And you get certificates for each one to prove that you've done the course, and we're learning how to do it really cheap. And I also recommend doing some programming courses as well. And if we click on learning paths here on lynda.com, then you just give it a moment. As you can see, we can learn C++, databases, general programming, Java, Python, web development, and just kind of stuff like that, really. There is lots and lots of C data engineering here. There's lots of stuff that you can learn on this website, but again, for ethical hacking, you want to stick with the programming and ethical hacking route. Anyway, I recommend you to actually check out lynda.com because it's got a lot of good courses on there as well, and stuff you can learn. So when it comes to development, this is a great website, and by using eBay you can save yourself a lot of money on the account. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.